Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and in this video I'm going to be playing some Bloxburd for the first time, like I recommended on my channel update. And we are joined here with 2K Games.
Yo, yo, yo.
Oh, bro, yo sounds wrong. Okay, so this is my house in Bloxburd. Well, one of my houses. I think I have four. Hey. Oh, hey, Mark. These are my two cars. I have this one, I forget what it's, Dodge Charger, I think. And then that's Mark's car. And then this is my other car. It's like a limo, the dab person limo. There's nothing inside the garages. But I do have 3 security cameras around the house. And Mark is just standing there. But this is the front entrance. Take a good look at that. I really like how my house came out. Just look at this. Woo! And he's still standing there. So this is my living room. Yes. Pretty good. Oh gosh. Why you set a budget for me, man? This is the dining room / sunroom because you can open up these, close them. I like to keep them closed. I don't know why. This is the kitchen. Pretty big kitchen. Not too much on these. House bills. Oh my gosh. 2,000. Oh gosh. Yeah, that's a lot of money. But oh, yeah, I still need to fix that problem. Yeah. That's been there for a while and I haven't fixed it. So this is the outside. Got the sitting area. Whoa, I need to fix that. The carpet blends in with the ground. This is the, I forget what it's called. And then here's the swing set that Mark is currently on. And so am I. So we got all the scenery. We also have a 2-deep pool that I just jumped on this. Okay. Then we got the ladder over here that has no use because you can just jump out. And then I have a soccer arena over here that, wait, bro, I'll get it in first. Hey, no. Hey, buddy. Yes! That was legendary. Round of applause for me. Okay, we have the downstairs. Now we're going up to the upstairs. And if you're wondering,
forgot something outside.
what did I forget?
Come on.
No, bro, I'm showing you that at the end, okay, man? Yeah, just chill. Okay, everyone stay tuned to see what's back there. It's gonna be really cool. So this is the laundry room at the very end of the hallway. I feel like it turned out really well with the 2 laundry stuff. This is the office where I can view the security cameras and put up my fun. And if I can sit down, I can view security cameras. No one at my front door. Oh, there's my car. There's my other car, and then there's Mark's car. Okay, that's the office. And then we got the guest bedroom. It's pretty big for a guest bedroom, but my whole house is big, so I don't think we really care around here. I'll just show you this one. Basically the exact same thing. So, yeah. Now the last room of that, actually no, not the last. Well, it's the last room in the house. The washroom. Yeah, nothing's really important here. What are you trying to do? Answer me. What are you trying to do?
Hug the mirror.
Oh gosh. Oh, let's just leave. This person. Okay. Now the moment you guys have been waiting for, the thing that Mark was heading over to. As you can see, there is a little bump.
Your sunroom.
I showed the sunroom, buddy. Yeah. Oh, there goes Mark. I have a little cave. Man cave, basically. We got the bar. Got the cooler. Got this. Where you can chill, watch TV. Really lit. Then we can play some pool over here. And I might do a video on how to create a pool table and a ping pong table. So stay tuned. You could just be weird. But you can't have a secret room without another secret room. It's just a storage room, nothing important. There's halfway going through the wall. And you can't have another secret room without. No, I don't have another secret room. Let's just go. Bro, can you not trap me in here? There we go. Okay, I think that's all to this house. Don't want to hit our heads on the tree. Bro, can you, like, get out? Okay. So, and the job that I use the most is pizza delivery, but as you can see, I used to use janitor a lot, so I'm level 31, but now I realize that a delivery person does so much. So that's how I get all my money, that I have like nothing right now, because this house was expensive, very expensive. Okay. Okay. We'll end off this video. I'm just gonna make some food. Take ingredients. We're just gonna get some.
Everybody go subscribe to 2K Game.
No, subscribe to me. Finish this video, subscribe to me, then go to his YouTube channel. Link down below.
Oh, you're going confident mode with that link down below.
Okay. Okay, just gonna fry some pork chops. Yeah. Where did you go?
I'm working.
Oh, you're working? Okay. I'm making some money. And I'm making some pork chops. It takes so long to make these pork chops and other stuff. And whatever. Standing on the mat. What job are you working at?
Pizza Planet.
Cool delivery. Work at Pizza Planet because when you get to level 40 or something, well, I probably like level 30. You can probably get $1,000 per delivery. So that is amazing. That's why I decided to start that job, because I realized how much money it could give you. These pork chops are taking a very long time. Like they always do. So. And then if you want some more Bloxburd content, he's going to be starting some Bloxburd content on his channel, right?
Yeah, just go subscribe to me, and you guys will be notified my newest Bloxburd video.
Yes. Okay, pork chops are ready. Just gonna. And if you want any design suggestions from this house, just take them. I don't really care. We're gonna sit down and eat our pork chops. We're on a delicious ending of the video. I'm gonna have to go. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash a like, smash the subscribe button, and smash the bell. So you're always notified when a new video comes out. So, see you next time. Peace.
Bye.
Built an empire.